Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to delete user account Windows 11 2025. We will enter the advanced search box and then open the option, View Advanced System Setting. Here in User Profiles, you will click on the button Settings. Then select the profile to delete. When you do, click on Delete. Confirm by clicking Yes. Now you just have to wait for this profile to be deleted. Apply the changes and you can close the windows. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.